How to see liked posts on Instagram Lite. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to look at the posts you've liked on Instagram Lite, what you're simply going to do is first of all, launch the application on your device. After that's done, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see your profile picture. Click on it. Then it will take you to this page where you'll see all the information about your profile. Now in the top right corner, you'll see a three bar option. Click on it. Then go to settings. After you go to settings, over here, you can see the option which says preferences on your Instagram settings. Click on preferences. Then you can see various options over here, and over here on visibility of Instagram you can see three options that are request verification, posts you've liked and recently deleted. Go to the second option which says posts you've liked. Then you can see all the posts you've liked, and now you can also simply open a post that you've liked and then unlike it. So this is how you can see your like post on Instagram Lite. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope this video was helpful to you and see you again in the next video.